Chapter 20, Part 1, Translation. Qu'est-ce que Jean fait tout seul chez lui? So here we have a question. The que means what. The est que indicates that this is a question. So what is John doing all alone at his house? So we might be able to smooth that out. What is John doing home all alone? Now here we've got a saying, faites comme chez vous. That means make yourself at home. Literally it means do like at your house. We would say make yourself at home. Now here we have chez Disney, on trouve des histoires amusantes, tantôt chez les êtres humains, tantôt chez les animaux. So lots of chez here. So chez Disney, this is going to be in Disney's work. On trouve des histoires amusantes. We find amusing stories or fun stories. And then we've got a tanto expression, and tanto means sometimes. Sometimes chez les êtres humains, sometimes in the world of humans or in the human universe. Tanto chez les animaux, sometimes in the animal universe, sometimes among animals. So we could translate it something like, in Disney's work, we find amusing stories, sometimes in the world of human beings, sometimes among animals. Then number 4 is chez certains, l'œuvre de Disney est capable d'amélioration. So here we've got chez certains, and this is like giving their opinion. In the thought of some people, or in the view of some people, the work of Disney is capable of being improved. Or in the thought of some people, Disney's work can be improved.